Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Faithful Lobby. For those who are new to the channel, I post every week on topics related to money, mindset, and business. For those who are returning, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all already know y'all are some real ones. All y'all watching this video right now, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It only takes 2 seconds. Just hit it to help me out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Let me get into what I want to talk about today. And we all know it's about that time for the new year, new me. Time to set the new year goals. Now, I think goals are very important because it helps you be productive throughout the year. It helps you have a sense of direction of where you want to go about for the rest of the year. Now, I think it's almost like a plan having goals because it gives you a guide and a sense of path of how to go about your year. And I like to relate it to fitness because, of course, I like working out. I'm a big fitness head. And if you, let's say you had a personal trainer, when you go to that personal trainer, you go in there with an intention of what your goal is. Let's say you want to lose 15 pounds, you want to have 15% body fat, whatever it might be. That's the quantitative way for you to track if that program was actually beneficial for you. Essentially, that's what the goals for New Year's are supposed to do for you. So at the end of the year, you track how you did with your goals. But I think the conventional ways of doing goals are out the picture. So with that being said, I want to talk to you guys today about how I recently found out about this way to write my goals, and it's really changed everything about goals for me. And shout out to Patrick David because it was his channel Valuetainment where I found this layout of how to write your goals, and I found it about mid 2019. So I wasn't really able to hit all my goals because before that I wasn't really big on setting goals like that. But now I'm gonna take you guys to what it looks like, what my goals were for 2019, what I hit, what I didn't hit, and why I found this to be so beneficial.
All right, guys, so this is what the template looks like. This is what the goal sheets look like. And so at the top, you have the year. So you put the year. So this year was 2019 for me. And next to it, you put the theme of what you want the year to be. For this year, for me, was the year of learning. 2020 for me is going to be the year of execution. So whatever that theme for the year that you want it to be, that's what you put up there. So next is, as you can see, it's broken down into 6 categories. So first you have the financial, then you have the family, then you have the business, then you have health, then you have personal development, and then you have spiritual. Now, this is the 6 categories that it's all broken up into, and within each category you have habits, 3 habits you want to form, and 3 goals that you want to also hit for that year. So just to go a little bit into what I had for myself and my financial, I wanted to save more money and cut my expenses. That's the habits I wanted to form this year. Thinking of ways to make us save more money, tracking all my finances and investments weekly. So I wanted to have saved up 3 to 6 months of my emergency fund, pay off all my credit card debt, and understand the U.S. economy. I hit all those goals spot on. In the business side, I wanted to set more reasonable due dates for my actual action items and make sure I complete them. I wanted to continue to studying the different industries and stay on top of topics during the meetings. I'm still working on that last one on my habit. I'm very random and sporadic sometimes. Next, I wanted to figure out what my strengths and weaknesses are in business and then launch my YouTube channel. As you can see, I hit that one. That one is coming. And the last one I'm still working on, finding a CTO for our company. And in the health part, I wanted to work out at least 5 days out the week. I wanted to stop overeating during the weekends. I'm still working on that one. I did take a lot of my vitamins. I got down to 15% body fat, but now I'm back up because I'm bulking. So I did hit that goal. That second one of my goal, drinking alcohol once a month, that did not happen, but it's okay. And no longer have knee pains. But these are what my goals were, and I just wanted to share with you guys what it was. And I will link down in the description down below a blank template of this. So I want you guys to use it. Let me know what you guys think about it, and definitely try it out. I think everybody should definitely try this out because the habits and everything works. Thank you guys.
So guys, as you can see, this way of setting goals is completely different. I was able to track my habits and the goals I set in these different categories, and I was able to consciously always think about it. And the way I was able to also do this was I printed it out and I put it up beside my board, and I read it at least 3 times out the week. So I was continuously reminded about it. And this is one of the best ways to go about tracking and being productive throughout the year. This is what I found to be the best way to be productive throughout the year, because I found that when you're able to remind yourself every time of what your goals are, having it easily accessible to you to be able to see it, you're able to accomplish more of it. And as the year went on, I was able to cut out a lot of things just because I wanted to be so productive to hit all my goals. And now this 2020, I'm gonna set outlandish goals so I could force myself to put in the maximum effort going into the year. It's always about maximum effort. Whenever you think you're at 100%, you're just at 40%. You could work harder. And I believe in working harder and working smarter. And at the same time, that's what I want to do for 2020. So let's go into 2020 killing it, setting crazy goals, and continuously to grind to hit those goals. And consciously be thinking about the habits that you want to set for yourself in order for you to hit those goals. Because it's not just about the goals anymore. It's also about the habits of what you set for yourself in order to hit those goals. With that being said, I wanted to make this one a short one. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you found this helpful, again, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, let them know about my channel. I really appreciate y'all. Merry Christmas. You guys have a good one, and I'm out.